Remember, it was from Costco. Remember, I asked if you like it? And I was like, Mom, do you like that? You're like, yeah, that's great. And we kept walking out of the deodorant. Rocket?
Are you just glad to see me? Alright, I'm recording.
Wait, what are you saying?
Oh, hey.
Rocky! Mom, don't bend over for the camera. No, not that way. No. Yeah, you have your mic shot. Who found it?
I did. It was in the
Gracias.
Oh, you found it in the couch cushion? I thought I found it on the arm of the couch.
Yeah. Thank
I
you both.
thought that's too easy.
Why didn't you tell me you found it?
I did. You were listening.
Yes. Can't say that one to you. Grandma. We're on tape. We're on tape snacking Grandma.
See, that looks just like mine when I was bending over
You have to,
yesterday.
sir.
When you were what? Pregnant?
What?
Bending over yesterday.
You opened up the wrong when.
Hopefully not.
See the name on here? What are we going to do now?
Have to rewrap that. Isn't that for Cameron or something? The other one?
This one's for President. He opened up.
Oh well, we'll have to rewrap Parker's.
Let him open Parker's one.
Silly? Yeah, we can just rewrap it.
Sorry. You might like this one better.
Get in there, George.
But that one's for...
It's going to be hard to drive that way.
Honey, did you get yours yet?
Lay it down on the jaw.
Preston, Connor, what did you get? Turn that off right now.
Is that a new thing?
What's this?
Cool.
Jack Skellington.
That's
Skellington.
Show Grandpa.
He's something in one of the Disney movies.
It's supposed to be Mickey. Connor.
Do you see Preston?
Let us see, Preston. We haven't seen it.
Preston.
We want to see
We want to
it.
see your shirt.
How come you?
This is fun.
Yeah, I know. When?
That's your gift for
January 2nd with Jason and Christy.
Yeah.
In 1 week. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa. Thank you, Grandpa.
That was very generous.
You guys have to wait for yours till Jason and Christy get here. We should have. Why didn't we wait for Jason and Christy for these?
To tell them that. Do they know?
Except they spilled the beans already.